Welcome to Kungana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixezo Media. We're now reading the story titled Mbudzi, and this is episode 23. But Daddy, I want to get married as soon as possible. Why do we have to wait until November is over? It's not like you won't be here. It is not done that way, Zua. Pachikaranga kana kuti pachishona, apana anorora kana kurorwa mukati memwedzi yembudzi. Azviitwe. Why? Because you think dead people will punish us? Let's just do it, Dad, and you'll see that nothing will happen. If you'd like to do it that way, Ngwana wangu, do it. But my brothers and I, as well as your siblings and mother, will not be a part of this. I don't understand why you can't wait a few weeks. Shingi is not going anywhere. Sometimes I wish I was in Zimbabwe, or better yet, black. Things seem easier when you aren't black. And yet even those who are not black have customs they abide by. Things they consider taboo that they would never go against. I hate these stupid customs. Zua cries before running and slamming the door behind her. Naka, Zua's father, sighs deeply as he ponders over where he could have possibly gone wrong with his children. He had provided for them since birth and loved and respected their mother, raising them to be strong and opinionated children who knew they were loved. Join us tomorrow for more Kungana Chengeto 90, 45, Tixezo Media.